Hi everyone, let us continue with the second part of 21st body of Japji Sahib. वेल न पाया पंडिती जे होवे लेख पुराण, वक्त न पाया कादियां जे लिखन लेख कुरान. The pundits, the religious scholars, can't find the time, even if it is written in the Purans. That time neither did Qazis know, or they would have put it in the Quran. उस समय जब संसार बना था, पंडितों को भी पता न चला होगा, नहीं तो वह एक पुराण लिख डालते. उस समय काजियों को भी खबर न होगी, वरना वे भी आयतें इकट्ठी कर कुरान लिख देते. Spiritual concepts and metaphysical doctrines with aimless theorizing are mere distractions and lacking practical value. Scholars try to see God by analysis, but devotees remain blissful in His grace. भक्त सदा अहोभाव में आनंदित है. To claim knowledge is the claim of ego. The claim of love is egolessness. थित वार न जोगी जाने, रुत माहो न कोई, जा करता सिर ठीकौ साजे, आपे जाने सोई. The date, the day are not known to yogis, nor the month or the season. The Creator who created this creation, only He Himself knows. जब यह जगत बना था, तब कौन सी तिथि थी, दिन था, यह बात कोई योगी नहीं जानता. कोई नहीं बता सकता तब कौन सी ऋतु थी, महीना था. जो सृजनहार इस जगत को बनाने वाला है, वह स्वयं ही सब जानता है. There is no point in debating about how, when and where the creation got manifestation, because only the Karta Purkh, the sole doer who formed and shaped the creation, he knows the truth as well chronology of creation of cosmos. मुर्गी पहले आई या अंडा is riddle for all, but Creator knows the exact surmises. These lines basically exemplifies total devotion with absolute sense of contentment. क्या पहले और क्या बाद, जानने से भीतर कुछ बदलने वाला नहीं. Just only we can celebrate birthdays and anniversaries, but in depth no gain. हाथ कुछ भी न आएगा. किव कर आखा किव सलाही, क्यों वर्णी किव जाना, नानक आखन सबको, आखे इक दू इक स्याना. How can we speak of Him? How can we praise His greatness? How can we describe Him? Nanak says, everyone describes of Him. Each one is wiser than the rest. हे अकाल पुरुष, किस तरह तेरी बड़ाई करूं, स्तुति करूं, किस तरह तेरा आह्वान करूं. एक से बढ़कर एक सियाने लोग हैं जो उसका वर्णन करते, किंतु वर्णन फिर भी सभी अधूरे हैं. The question is, how should one greet Him? Since we know nothing about Him, only He knows. All expressions are incomplete. The really intelligent person has realized that he can't be expressed. जो भी कहेंगे वह छोटा पड़ जाएगा. It will be hollow and insignificant when compared to His glory. वड्डा साहिब वडी नाई कीता जाका होवे, नानक जैको आपो जाने, अगे ज्ञान सोहे. He is supreme, great is His name, Whatever happens is according to His will. Nanak opines, one who claims to know everything gains no honor before him. अकाल पुरुष सबसे बड़ा है, साहिब है, उसकी बड़ाई ऊंची है। जगत में जो हो रहा है उसी का किया ही हो रहा है। नानक कहते, जो कोई अपने आप को कुछ समझता है वह उसके आगे जाकर शोभा नहीं पाता। The doors of God opens only for those who are nothing, nobody, who left their identity completely. Somebody is not allowed there. When the ultimate love arises, there should remain no sign of you. He who saves himself will be lost. He who loses himself will be saved. परमात्मा तो सदा समक्ष है, लेकिन जब तक तुम हो वह न दिखेगा। लेकिन जैसे ही मैं की बाधा गिरेगी, he enters. He enters in that emptiness. The only way to become a true devotee and worthy in his eyes is to remember that he is Vadda Sahib. Egolessness is the key to unlock kingdom of God. Becoming nobody is the kimia to be his favorite. Thank you. That is all for today.